Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering data and information for various industries and sectors. In Gurgaon, Sector 44, one can find a reputable institution called Scon Design that specializes in training and providing skilled field surveyors. These professionals are equipped with the necessary knowledge and expertise to conduct surveys in the specified area. With their attention to detail and thoroughness, field surveyors in Gurgaon, Sector 44, ensure accurate data collection and analysis. Scon Design in Gurgaon, Sector 44, is known for its excellent training programs for aspiring field surveyors. The institute offers comprehensive courses that cover various aspects of surveying techniques, tools, and methodologies. Students are trained to use advanced equipment such as DGP devices, total stations, and digital mapping technology. The curriculum also includes theoretical knowledge on surveying principles and practices. By enrolling in the Scon Design, individuals can acquire the necessary skills to become successful field surveyors in Gurgaon, Sector 44. The demand for field surveyors in Gurgaon, Sector 44, is constantly growing due to the rapid development and urbanization in the area. Various industries such as real estate, construction, infrastructure development, and environmental research require the services of skilled surveyors to collect accurate data for their projects. By hiring field surveyors from Gurgaon, Sector 44, businesses can ensure that their projects are based on reliable and precise information. These professionals are trained to work efficiently and deliver timely results, making them an invaluable asset to any project. Field surveyors from Gurgaon, Sector 44, are well-versed in conducting different types of surveys such as land surveys, topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction layout surveys. The collection of data and information for many industries and sectors is greatly aided by field surveyors. The renowned Scon Design is a facility in Gurgaon Sector 44 that specializes in educating and supplying qualified field surveyors. These experts possess the knowledge and skills required to carry out surveys in the targeted area. Field surveyors in Gurgaon, Sector 44, ensure precise data collection and analysis with their attention to detail and thoroughness. For those looking for field surveyor training, Scon Design in Gurgaon Sector 44 is renowned for offering top-notch courses. The institute provides in-depth training covering a range of approaches, tools, and surveying techniques. Students receive training on how to handle cutting-edge tools like DGP units, total stations, and digital mapping technology. Theoretical understanding of surveying procedures and principles is included in the curriculum as well. People can enroll in the Scon Design and gain the knowledge and abilities needed to work as professional field surveyors in Gurgaon, Sector 44. Due to the area's increasing urbanization and growth, there is a constant need for field surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44. A trained surveyor is needed by many different businesses, including real estate, building, infrastructure development,